Hello lovelies, welcome to Alake Gay YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make this open back crop top. So if you're interested in learning how to make this top, please continue to watch this tutorial. Thank you. So to start off, I'm just going to fold my fabric into two. So this fabric is just a scrap fabric that I have. So I'm just going to fold the fabric into two. So I folded about like 10-11 inches right there. That'll be enough for me. So I'll just place my tape measure on the fabric and start about 3 inches. That's why I'm just going to start off. That's where we start the neckline. This is high neck, alter neck top. So we're just going to start from there, and that is our starting point. And from there, I'll place my tape measure right there. I'll mark the bust point. So your bust point is your shoulder to the nipple, and from your shoulder to the nipple, mine is 11. So I come up by 2 inches. So whatever your bust point is, you're going to come up by 2 inches. And for the length of the top, I just stop about around the bottom of the fabric. So this is just I just use up the whole fabric since it's just scrap fabric that so on the starting point line that I marked, I'll input the across front. Across front is from one armpit to the other. Mine is 12. That's why I mark 6 inches because divide that into two. And on the bust point line, I input quarter of my bust measurement plus half-inch seam allowance and 1 inch sewing allowance. That's why it's 10. So, and from there, I come down by 2 inches. So from the across front, where we input the across front measurement, you're just going to make a curve to the bust point, and from the bust point you come down from by 2 inches, and to the hem there, you're just going to make a shape of triangle. You can use your free hand or you can use your ruler. So I'll use my ruler to make the triangle shape like that. So and that is it for this. So I'm just going to trace it up very well. So I'm just going to cut it out. So now before cutting it over the top here, the neckline, we have rope around there, so that means we need to add the rope casing. So I'm adding 1.5 inch as the rope casing for this. So I'm just going to cut off the excess fabric that I have there like so. And this is the front like this. So just to sew is just folding half-inch on the elastic casing, and you fold it by the side and just sew it round. So I'm just cutting the rope, the pieces for the rope. So to sew this, just folding at the elastic casing, you fold in the 1.5, so you fold in half-inch and you're going to sew it. That means you have 1 inch left for the elastic casing, and by the side just fold in about half-inch, just sew it all round like so. So this is it. We've sewed it round, and the rope also on the ground like so. So now you're just going to, where we mark 2 inches that to create the curve, we're going to be joining our loop. That's where the rope will pass through by the side. So I'm just cutting enough how wide I want the loop to be. So I'm just cutting about 3 inches. That's the length of the loop that I use. So I cut out four, two on one side and two on the other side. So just place those rope there and take it to the sewing machine and sew. So two on one side and two on the other side, or you can make it one depending on how you want it. And I have my rope long enough right there. So this is I've already joined the loop by the side. So I'm just going to put the rope into the neckline. So I'm using my safety pin to do that. Just put the rope that I used was 74 inches long, but I found out that it was a bit short for me, not too long, so if you're making your rope, you can make it about, let's say, 85 to 90 inches, because it was not long enough to cross it really well at the back. So I just import the rope into the neckline. I'm just going to drag it out, and make sure once you're doing it, you fold it into two, and there you have the rope on the equal on the side. So now just cross it. So I've crossed it already. Then you put it into the loop like so, and put it into the circle loop, this loop on the other side. So I'm supposed to cross it again. So I cross it again here before I wear it. So I cross it too. So I also have about two crosses at the back. This is how it's supposed to look at the back. There are two crosses right there. But when I wear it, I found that the rope was not long enough to accommodate the two crosses at the back. So that's why when I wear it, I have just one crossing at the back. So this is how it looks. So if you want your crossing to be two places, please just make your rope about 90 inches long. So this is what we've made. So if this tutorial is helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and if you have any question, please leave your question in the comment section down below, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to join the family. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I'll catch you in my next tutorial. Bye.